And if you want to understand deeply this video, so please listen very carefully till the end this video. If you want to really improve your English language, you have the need to do acting like that, true personality, and let's start to talk to yourself. Soon you will feel a good result. In the starting time, it can be the problem for you, talking like that, but slowly it will be your habit, and one day you can speak very fluent English language. So please, my dear student, this is Vivek Yadav, your speaking guru, and today in this video I'm just going to share you how can you talk to yourself in English language, and by this habit you can improve your English speaking. So without of any delay, let's start this video. And if you want to understand deeply this video, so please listen very carefully till the end this video. And if you are the new, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Let's start. My dear student, today I'm just going to do acting like two personality. One is I am Mr. Vivek. And second is Mr. Amit. So now let's start. Hello Mr. Amit, how are you? I am fine Mr. Vivek. How are you? I am fine Mr. Amit. Mr. Amit, what are you doing nowadays? Oh Vivek, it's a very good question you asked here. I am working in court nowadays. Oh, why Mr. Amit? As I heard, you were teacher. But right now you are working in the court? Yes, Mr. Vivek, you hear right. But right now I am in a court. But Mr. Amit, can I know why did you leave your job of teaching? Yes, Mr. Vivek, I can tell you. Actually, it was my deep intention to become advocate, to become an advocate, to become a lawyer. That's why I left my job of teaching and I joined the job of advocate in the court of Jaunpur. Wow, very nice Mr. Amit. Really, it is a great for me and for you. Mr. Amit, can you tell me, are you married or unmarried? Yes, Mr. Vivek, I am married and I have two children. Can you tell me about you? Yes, Mr. Amit, I am also married and I have two daughters. Mr. Amit, can you tell me what is your village name? Yes, why not, Mr. Vivek? I can tell you. My village name is Saloni Mahimapur. Mr. Vivek, can you tell me what is your village name? Yes, why not? My village name is Samodipur. Actually, Mr. Amit, I want to know more about you. Can you tell me? Yes, you can ask. Why not? Mr. Amit, are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Absolutely, I am vegetarian. Oh, great. Mr. Vivek, are you? Yes, I am also vegetarian. Mr. Amit, can you tell me how many brothers are you? Mr. Vivek, I am two brothers. And you? I am three brothers. Mr. Amit, how many sisters do you have? I have three sisters. Mr. Vivek, how many sisters do you have? I have two sisters. Mr. Vivek, can you tell me right now where are you teaching? Yes, Mr. Amit, I can tell you right now I am teaching in Prasad Institute of Technology, Jaunpur. Oh, what? In which field you are working there? Which branch you are working there? In training and placement cell. Wow, it's great really for us. Mr. Amit, can you tell me, do you have car? Yes, Mr. Vivek, I have car. Wow, very nice. Mr. Amit, can you do one favor for me? What? Tell me, Mr. Vivek. Yes. Mr. Amit, can you just drop me tomorrow in Varanasi? Why not, Mr. Vivek? I can drop you Varanasi. I can drop you Varanasi tomorrow. Okay, my dear student, you heard here, I did acting like that two personality. One is Mr. Vivek, who is I am here, and second is Mr. Amit, who is there. So, if you want to really improve your English language, you have the need to do acting like that, true personality, and let's start to talk to yourself. Soon you will feel a good result. In the starting time, it can be the problem for you talking like that, but slowly it will be your habit, and one day you can speak very fluent English language. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel.